I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's what's going on across central New York. Our weather is very, very cold this morning. It's still below normal this afternoon, but not as bitter. Now look, it's still below normal. Normal high is like 31, 32, and we're probably not going to get much higher than 20. I'm actually forecasting 18 with sun and clouds and scattered flurries. There's going to be some brief lake effect, which I'll get to in a second. That's going to be up north today. So what to expect? Let's first talk about what's happening with regards to these roads this morning. Now, they're still slick. We had about 3.5 inches of snow in Syracuse. Yes, there has been more snow in spots, especially near the lake shores of Lake Ontario. The road treatment early this morning is still not going to be as effective as if the temperature was, let's say, 25 or 30. So that means the road crews have to go over and over and over and over the same spots with more and more salt for the snow to melt. When we get to this afternoon, I know 15 to 20 isn't that great, but the salt works better at that type of temperature versus the temperatures we saw earlier this morning. So the roads will get a little bit better. And the wind chills will get a little better too. Instead of being well below zero, they should improve to at least 0 to 5, maybe even 5 to 9 above zero this afternoon. Next on the agenda, we have, or agendum, I don't know, what's the singular of agenda? Is it agendum, Jeremy?
Agenda.
Agenda? Okay, anyway. Well, the next thing that I'm watching, I should just use that word, is heavy lake effect snow up north. I've capitalized it so it grabs your attention. This is going to start pre-dawn Friday, go through Friday night, go through Saturday, and go through Saturday night. This will first start off in northwestern Jefferson County and then move southbound across Jefferson County. I think it'll be mainly a Jefferson, Lewis, and sometimes extreme northern Oswego County event. And almost all of the snow from that event will be up north. First things first, new snow today, primarily east of Lake Ontario. Early this morning, it's here. Later this afternoon, it's up here. And at all times, will be north of Syracuse. Expect sun and clouds with only flurries in central New York. Some spots that get 3 to 6 inches of new snow directly east of Lake Ontario. This evening, nobody gets snow. And then tonight, late tonight, there'll be some generic snow showers and flurries. A dusting to an inch will be possible. Northwest of Watertown, 1 to 3 inches, and north of Rome, there'll be some localized 1 to 2 inch amounts right in there. Fast forward, here comes a brief snow shower for central New York, and there's all the heavy snow. Remember, Jefferson, Lewis, and extreme northern Oswego County is where most of the lake effect will play for Friday night, Saturday into Saturday night. Notice this is like Pulaski north. So all of the lake effect snow is Jefferson, Lewis, and extreme northern Oswego County during that period. Otherwise, in central New York, it's sun and clouds Friday afternoon and sun and clouds Saturday. How much sun are we talking? Well, today should be at least 50%, 40% Friday, and 70% Saturday. In terms of the precipitation probability, well, we had flurries earlier. Otherwise, the amount of snow that we've got for you Friday night, Saturday night up north is going to be notable. But in central New York, there's only a 1 in 3 chance of flurries or light snow showers and a 1 in 4 chance Saturday. Just some scattered flurries Sunday and Monday, and perhaps some light snow on Wednesday. Now, the temperatures remain below normal, although not as bitter this afternoon, tonight, and tomorrow. It's still fairly cold around here, though, right through Friday night and Saturday night. Closer to normal temperatures Sunday night, and Monday. Now again, the biggest part of the forecast after we get through these morning wind chills is the lake effect snow well north Friday night, Saturday night. Stay up to date with the forecast online, cnycentral.com.